Hello traders, and welcome to this cup with handle video. In this video we're going to give you a quick overview to show you how this tool can help you with your trading. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or forex. The cup with handle tool automatically analyzes and visually identifies the cup with handle pattern on any time frame. You have the ability to customize the tool to user-specific settings in terms of retracements and projections, and helps you focus more on execution and efficiency instead of spending all day looking for this specific pattern across multiple markets. So as you can see here, we have the cup with handle pattern clearly drawn out, even labeled for you onto the chart. You have these invalidation levels. It gives you an area of a potential stop. You have the validation level telling you where price needs to go or close beyond to go ahead and validate this pattern. And you have potential targets right here as well. Now you can go ahead and place your target here, put your target further away, or you have these areas that simply just gives you an idea just based on classical analysis of the cup with handle pattern where price should go and where it shouldn't go. As you can see here, worked out pretty well here, nailed the target here, and you have another cup with handle pattern here that nailed the target up here as well. Your first step is go ahead and download the indicator file below this video. Your next step is to watch the market specific settings and strategy jumpstart video to get you started in your market.